Hey, what is going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I wanted to make sure that you are aware that Ironfish, one of the devs here, Elena, basically advised us late last night that they're officially opening the voting period for the hashing algorithm change. Ironfish will be changing its algorithm from what it currently is to one of a number of options that you will see here shortly. And those members who provided their public address to Elena have already been sent one OR, which is what you need for voting power, right? This is a voting token, a custom asset named hashing-algo-vote that you would need to send to one of the public addresses that I'm going to show you here in just a second to vote for that specific algorithm. For voting options on hashing algorithm change, as well as an explanation of various choices and process, please reference the doc below, and it links to this website here where we have the different algorithms. We got Lodabee's fish hash algo. We have ETH hash B3. We got the ETH hash with EIP 3372. We got the Autolycos V2 or the Ergo algorithm. And then we have ProgPal and Blake 3. Those are the different choices or algorithms that they are proposing or that they're allowing the community to vote on. And then they say here that this is a list of community members' public addresses who have agreed to vote. If you are not on this list and would like to vote, please DM Elena_Ironfish on Discord before October 3rd. So that window is closing. And even though this list is decent, it doesn't have everybody on there. So if you're not participating, please consider participating. I'll leave this website linked in the description as well as a link to their Discord. But it goes on to provide information of how users can vote via the CLI wallet or the command line interface wallet, as well as the desktop node app, which once you have the asset in that wallet, you will be able to select it and choose it from the drop down. You will see that this wallet does not have it. My CLI wallet has it instead, but it does go through the process of what you need to do in order to participate or vote on a particular algorithm. If you go back here, to vote, send your voting token, right? So once you have that actual token called hashing-algo-vote, you would want to send it to the public address corresponding with your vote choice. So whether it's fish hash, ETH hash B3, ETH hash with EIP 3372, Autolycos, ProgPal, Blake, so on and so forth, you got to participate, right? I want to see some more people on this list, and I want the community to participate in the direction that this project takes. I know Ironfish isn't the latest happy trend out there or the trendiest cryptocurrency out there, but it's very important that, you know, us as miners and participants in this ecosystem, that we're actively engaged in it. So I will link everything down in the description. Make sure you go vote. If you want some more information about the algorithm, the participation, all that stuff, they got video walkthroughs, slides, and all that stuff. Well, I know ProgPal is a little bit more core intensive and might use a little bit more power than some people might like. But to me, that's one of the better choices besides the one that I like, which is the fish hash algo. But don't pick what I like, pick what you like, and go forth and vote accordingly. But that's going to do it. Just wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of this. This message came out early this morning around 2 o'clock in the morning, my time, Eastern Standard Time. And we have until October 3rd to get registered to vote, so to speak, with Elena. And then, just keep an eye on the project and updates and announcements from the team in their Ironfish Discord. But do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out. Make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out some of the links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.